If you've ever walked into a really luxury hotel and wished that your house smelled like that, this is the way to do it. Let's unbox it together and see if it lives up to the hype. This is the Amazing Flower Waterless Diffuser Combo Pack. So it comes with the Waterless Diffuser and a variety of essential oils. It comes packaged very nicely. So this is the diffuser. It's designed small so that it doesn't take up a lot of space. It doesn't make a statement in your home, and you can even put it in the cup holder of your car, which is super interesting. It also comes with a charger, and I imagine this is how you get the essential oils into the diffuser. I have to read the instructions. It does come with an instruction pack. And lastly, these are the essential oils. This one is inspired by the W Hotel. That's really good. That smells really good. I love the smell of luxury hotels. I really do. It just smells rich. This is inspired by the Grand Hyatt. This one smells like a vacation. I don't know how to explain it other than that. It smells like a vacation. This one is the Four Seasons. That one's good. This one's a little bit more perfumey. None of them smell bad so far, which is really good because normally when you get a starter pack like this, sometimes they stick in some that don't sell very well. And this one is the Ritz-Carlton. That one's good. I wish I could let you smell them. I can't believe it's 2026 and we don't have that technology yet. I think the Grand Hyatt is actually my favorite. It's a little bit soapy, but it smells rich. And I love that smell, and it's really, really hard to find that smell in a candle. So these are so cool. Let's see what the instructions say. So it does have some plastic covering, so I'm just going to take those off. That is always so satisfying. And this one. So our instructions say this is the nozzle, this is the mist indicator, high, medium, or low. 3, this is the power button. You just hold the power button to turn it on and tap the power button to adjust the mist levels. 4 is our timer. So we have 1 hour, 3 hours, or 6 hours. And it says in timer off mode, the timer indicator remains off and the device stays on until it runs out of battery. And then the timer button, so you just tap to choose how long you want it to run. When the time is up, the diffuser will automatically turn off. Press and hold the power button to turn it back on. So it's super easy to use. So at the low level, it will have 5 seconds of diffusing and then a pause of 180 seconds. At the medium level, it has 15 seconds of diffusing and then a pause of 120 seconds. And at the high level, it has 30 seconds of diffusing and then a pause of 90 seconds. Let's see if I can turn it on. So this is what it looks like when it's on. I don't know if you can see there's a little light flashing. So to install one of our diffusers, it says to push up from the bottom. Oh, that comes up very easily. That's nice. This is what it looks like. So you just twist it to remove the bottle. And then I think, do I dump this into here? Oh, I see. So you can either use this bottle as is and screw it into here and then just cut the tube to the length that you need, and they actually give you extra tubes. Or I believe you can just pour this into the bottle that they give you. I think I'm going to go with that option. So it does have a cap. I'm just taking the cap off, hopefully without spilling any. I'm telling you guys, it smells so good. And then I'm going to pour this one into here. Screw this cap back on, and then you just line up the arrows. Push it in. The arrows are lined up, and I'm going to turn it on. That is incredible. It smells so good. I love that it is so small. It was so easy to use. I think I'm going to have to buy more of this Grand Hyatt. I am going on a road trip with my sister, so I'm going to put this in my car while we're driving, so we have that nice little essence going. The charging cable is on the back. And I really love that it's completely waterless. There's no tank to fill, there's no heat required, there's no messy cleanup. You really just pop the essential oil in there and let it do its thing. I also love how versatile it is. It's compact enough to fit into a cup carrier, but it will provide that scent for up to 600 square feet. Oh, there it goes again. I also love the customization, so you can choose how much or how little scent you want. And if it turns out to be too much at any time, you can always just turn it off and turn it back on later. And of course, that sleek black design makes it kind of inconspicuous. It doesn't look like an essential oil diffuser. It's small enough that you could hide in your home if you wanted to. You could stick it in a bathroom or your cup holder, and it doesn't stick out. And it also doesn't have to be close to an outlet. You can come plug this in for a little while and then put it right back where you want it to be. I love that about this. The fact that it came with these scents is fantastic. I love the smell of all of them. I think they smell so fancy. But I also love that you can use literally whatever essential oils that you want with this. Overall, I think if you're looking for a low maintenance, sleek, smaller diffuser that delivers a strong fragrance, this one is worth checking out. I'm so excited to use it in my house and in my car. Thank you so much to the brand for gifting this to me so that I could share it with you.